I'm a new employee at IKEA. How can I help you?
Can you help me find the TV plug wire?
Why?
Because the TV doesn't have it where we want it.
Good luck with a non-working TV. Ha ha.
That's it. I'm going to the different IKEA store.
There's only one store. Campus.
I have bought a duct tape.
H&M. Let me check it. That's it.
How could you, Ash?
Bitch. Should know better.
Are you responding to me?
How can I help you?
Can you help me find the furniture section?
No. Ha.
Agent Plan Pixel second channel here. You are Kitty, Jaden Kitty.
Looks like we are in 2021.
That's it. Helpful.
Hey, I am not Fupo, I am Agent Plan. Hey, how dare you fling me off? He is a Dino fanboy.
Oh, a Dino fanboy? Thanks for that. How can I help you?
Can you help me find the flashlight?
Never ever. Never ever. Never ever.
That's it.
How can I help? Why?
Not onto this point, Ash. I am telling a manager. Ash, I heard that you made a past user flings 2021 JGR off for a name calling. And now, you agreed to a past user. In 2021, you did not appear in JGR's video. And now in 2025, you are... That's it. Ash, you are fired.
R. I will find another job.